So I'm in stock market since last 1.5 year, and I am having my portfolio which is having around 45, 46 stocks. And even though I am not in loss, but whatever I have learned today, which is yesterday and today by Mr. Ashish ji, it was fantastic in two to three things. One is discipline, second is money management, and second thing how to select a stock and how to say, make an entry and how to exit. That was missing, and because of that, for so many stocks I was just keeping them holding because of their names. But one line which I have learned today: you
Yes,
are not buying a stock, you are buying a chart. And
correct.
that will be a tagline for me whenever I will do buying or selling of the stock. And I will say 100% this workshop is useful for the beginners as well as those people who are in the stock market but with half knowledge. So
Right.
I will give 5 rating, and I will recommend to all my friends and whoever wants to be in the stock market. Thank you, Ashish ji.